I do. So you don't care about the money, well yes it's true. And I'm so blessed to be.
Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I've literally started this intro like 17 times, as I'm going to show you in this little blooper clip.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and I know usually we post pictures and do it.
Anyways, so welcome back to our channel. It's been quite a while since we posted anything on this channel, and I decided that I'm gonna take a video of me doing my makeup because a lot of people ask me how I do my makeup, so I just decided to share how I do it. This is my everyday makeup slash church makeup because this is literally how I do my makeup often. I just kind of switch out colors and stuff. So yeah, just a disclaimer, I'm literally not a makeup artist. I do my makeup how I feel like doing it. It's how it works for me, and so please don't grill me in the comments in case I'm doing something wrong. And my products aren't really high-end products. They're mostly like stuff I get from like Ipsy glam boxes and stuff because I'm broke. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys like it. I talk too much. I really talk too much. Like, can you tell me I talk too much? I can never just make a video and just shut up. Alright, now we're getting into the makeup part. Look at me struggling. This is my first voiceover, so bear with me. That's cocoa butter. I use that as my moisturizer because my skin is hella dry from work. I've been out in the sun too much, so that skin is dry like a desert. So I'm putting it on speed up because no one wants to actually see that in real time. I mean, come on, really? Yup, all over my face. Next, I'm applying my primer, NYX Shine Killer, and I'm doing this because even though my skin has been dry lately, some parts of my skin tend to become shiny, and I don't know why, because my face isn't even that oily because it's dry, like I said. Or maybe it's a combination, but yeah. I'm just gonna spread that all throughout my face, just like I did with the moisturizer. Ew, I'm dancing. You need to stop. Dang it, I missed the spot. Now I'm just getting my makeup sponge and I'm showing you. Ew, stop. Why am I so weird? And that is concealer. I usually just spot conceal because I really don't like foundation, especially in this Florida humidity. My face always feels like it is melting if I put foundation here in Florida. If you live in Florida, you know. And I mean, it does the same thing as foundation, so. Next, I'm applying eyebrow tint, which is basically mascara for your eyebrows. And not a lot of people would agree with me on this one, but I like to do this because it's easier for me to do my eyebrows once my eyebrows are basically set in place. And that's something that I just prefer to do. Not a lot of people tend to do that. They tend to apply it afterwards. Ooh, yeah. And that right there is my raggedy eyeshadow primer, which I'm applying while I wait for my eyebrows to set. And then there is my Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade for the eyebrows. That is my only thing expensive in this whole video. But yeah, I start by drawing the bottom line and I just kind of do the arch and I follow my eyebrow through. This is my eyebrow pencil and it's just to help fill in the sparseness of my eyebrows because sometimes the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade it's a little like too harsh sometimes, so I use this, which is a lot softer. And just a pro tip, like try not to overline your eyebrows so that it's more natural because no one wants Sharpie eyebrows, sis. So it's better to underline than overline. I tend to underline it because you're just adding shape to your eyebrows. You're not like filling them in like it's like a coloring book. But it's your eyebrows, so you do you. And then I use this spoolie to kind of like soften the harshness of it. That's just me, guys. That's just what I do. Ew. And here's just a clip of me trying to stunt. You know what it do. Next, this is my festival palette from Profusion Cosmetics. You can get this from Target because they're awesome. I'm applying the pink in my, what is that? My crease? My crease, yeah. My crease to make my eyes appear bigger. I tend to do this quite often. I just like to apply the darker shade to my crease. If I want a more natural look, I tend to use my bronzer, but we'll do that for another video. So yeah, I'm just applying the pink on my crease, and look, it makes my eyes look a little bigger. Next, that is my eyeliner. It's an eyeliner, it's a pencil liner from Miniso, and I love it because it's gold and it adds shimmer, but like it's a very natural shimmer, and it's cheap, very cheap. Like, so hit up Miniso for that eyeliner. I apply that to my lid, just creating a slight crease, cut crease, is that what you call it? And into the corners of my eyeball. I use my fingers to blend the eye pencil, and then I go on ahead and reapply the pink to my crease. It's just so that it adds more definition, and I put that more towards the end, and yeah, that's what it do. Now that you can't really see, but it's rose gold, and I am using a flat brush and putting that to where I applied the eyeliner earlier. I'm talking about the pencil liner, by the way. I'm pretty sure you know what I'm talking about. You can see it in the video. But yeah, just applying it to that area, not the crease area. And that is the other end of the Miniso eyeliner, and that is a liquid eyeliner. I tight line my eyeball, and it might look mad uncomfortable from this angle. Not a lot of people do it. It's not necessary, but I just like to do it because it creates more definition and makes my eyes bigger. Ew. It's just kind of weird watching it myself and not actually doing it. Anyways, that right there is a death machine. It kills your lashes. Just kidding. It's an eyelash curler. I use the eyelash curler, and I swear on everything, you get the cheapest one, they work the best. You get the expensive one, they don't work the best. Then I'm applying mascara to my top lashes because when I apply falsies later, I want my eyelashes to be as dark and just as long as my falsies. Next, that is my NYX eyeliner, and just a little tip. I'm struggling, but so I have hooded eyes, and I learned this somewhere. I'm gonna try to find the video and link it in the bio, but because I have hooded eyes, it takes a different type of way to do eyeliner to make it look nice. So I don't really know how to explain it, but that's why it's taking forever, because eyeliner is really hard to do on hooded eyes. I'm still perfecting it. That one's kind of but you know what? It's okay. My eyes are uneven, so one eyeliner tends to look better than the other one, and you can tell which eyeliner I'm talking about is this one. If you didn't notice, because I'm struggling very little on this one. But yeah, I just create like an angle. Is that what it is? A little wing at the end, and then I attach it to the rest of my eyeliner. I'm terrible at describing stuff. But yeah, and there you have it, eyeliner. This is me trying to stunt, trying to show you guys what I just did, if it's cute. And then that's my Pro Concealer palette, which I got from Ross. So, yeah. And so what I'm doing now is I'm highlighting my eyebrows, and let me tell you, when you do this, it makes your eyebrows look snatched. Yeah. And it looks a little white, but it's okay. All you have to do is just blend it out, and yeah, look at the difference. So this is like my favorite part to do. I do the same thing on the other side. I just line it on the bottom part and I blend it out, creating that snatched eyebrow look. Now, because of my eyeliner, my eyelashes got clumpy, so I kind of use this to get rid of the spider web type look. That is powder foundation. I know I said I don't like foundation, but that's powder foundation, and it sets the concealer in. Now that I've done my eyes, I'm just applying that powder foundation to get rid of any fallouts, because nobody wants like random pink shadows all over their face. So yeah, I just use that. Then I use the blush from this makeup that my grandma got me from the Philippines. So I don't know where to get it, but this blush is super cute. I apply it to my cheeks, and I don't know if you guys ever heard of the drunken look, but that's why I apply it to my nose. That is a brown eyeliner from Ipsy. I got it from Ipsy. I don't know what glam bag it was, but I apply that to my bottom lash line because it makes my eyes look bigger. I only apply it halfway, by the way. And then I use Chocolate Soleil bronzer. So I only apply this Chocolate Soleil bronzer to my nose because it smells good. Every other bronzer smells so bad, and that one is like chocolate, so I'm being fat, and I only apply that to my nose. And of course, the Hoola from Benefit Cosmetics as the bronzer I apply on my face. I love Hoola, but it stank. I don't like it on my nose. I didn't buy this one. I know it's expensive. My boyfriend did. That's why I said Anastasia was my expensive one. Next, these are the lashes that I will be using. And I used the Duo lash glue. That lash glue is actually so good because even when I cry, my lashes stay on. And that's what you need. So yeah, get that Duo lash glue. I got these eyelashes from Amazon, and honestly, they were super cheap. I will never buy lashes from anywhere else because these are so cute, and there's a lot of them. I'll try to link down the lash people that I bought this from, but look at the difference. Guys, if you ever ask me what I would prefer, or like what, oh goodness, that was the part where I dropped like lash glue on me. Why did I make that face? But if you guys ask me what makeup I could not live without, it'd be eyelashes. It really would be eyelashes. Eyelashes complete the look. Plus it covers up my crappy eyeliner job. So yeah. I love eyelashes so much. Ooh. Yes! It's almost done! Next, I'm gonna take my mascara and I'm gonna apply mascara on my bottom lashes. This just makes it cuter. But if I know I'm gonna cry, I never apply mascara to the bottom lashes. Just another pro tip. And finally, setting spray. I hate setting spray, guys. It stinks. I don't know. I'm picky. Then I apply highlighter. And I like this highlighter, and after you guys see how it's applied, it's not really super shimmery. I don't really like super shimmery ones because, I don't know, applying too much highlighter kind of makes me look cakey. So this is my favorite highlighter, and I got it from an Ipsy glam bag. And I'm guessing that's it. Is there more? Oh, lip gloss. So I avoid wearing lipstick a lot because my grandma said that it makes your lips darker as you age. So I only use lip gloss, and that lip gloss is from Bath and Body Works. Ew, there's hair on it. And yeah, my mommy bought me that. So another cheap thing. So I hope you guys liked it. I think that's it. Bye.